I just left my friend's house in Brooklyn, and she's a film major at one of the film schools here in New York. And she's having a film set in her house today. I didn't film any of the crazy behind the scenes because I thought it might be rude, but that was fun. I met some interesting people. A couple of the crew thought I was the actor because I'm dressed up for work and I'm me. So yeah, that was fun. And now I am going to the train, although I don't have to be at work for like 4 hours, so maybe I'll do something fun.
It's so expensive. We had a party, right?
Ja, es kommt
Ja, es geht um 9. Das war jetzt eine Stunde.